Web 3.0, often referred to as the decentralized web, represents a new era of the internet where users have more control over their data, interactions, and digital assets. It builds upon the concepts of blockchain technology, decentralization, and smart contracts to create new opportunities for individuals and businesses to monetize their activities. In this guide, we'll explore 10 innovative ways you can make money using Web 3.0. 1. Decentralized finance, DeFi, yield farming. Overview: Decentralized finance, or DeFi, refers to the use of blockchain technology to recreate traditional financial services in a decentralized manner. Yield farming is a popular DeFi activity where users provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges, DEXs, in exchange for earning interest and rewards. How to make money? To engage in yield farming, you'll need to provide liquidity by depositing a pair of tokens into a liquidity pool on a DEX like Uniswap or SushiSwap. In return, you'll receive LP, liquidity provider, tokens representing your share of the pool. These tokens can be staked or used to participate in governance decisions, earning you a portion of trading fees and other rewards. Benefits: yield farming can yield substantial returns, especially during periods of high market volatility. However, it's essential to research the risks and potential impermanent loss associated with different pools. Considerations: DeFi platforms are subject to smart contract vulnerabilities and regulatory uncertainties. It's crucial to use reputable platforms and stay informed about security best practices. 2. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, creation and trading. Overview: NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of a specific item or piece of content, such as art, collectibles, music, and virtual real estate. How to make money? Create digital art, music, virtual real estate, or other digital content and tokenize it as an NFT on platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Mintable. Once sold, you'll receive a percentage of each subsequent sale, royalties. You can also trade NFTs on secondary markets for potential profits. Benefits: NFTs offer creators direct access to their audience and a new revenue stream. They enable fractional ownership and trading of unique digital assets. Considerations: the NFT market can be volatile and subject to changing trends. Successful NFT creation requires building a dedicated fan base and marketing strategy. 3. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, participation. Overview: DAOs are organizations governed by smart contracts and decentralized decision-making processes. They enable participants to contribute to projects, vote on proposals, and earn rewards. How to make money? Join a DAO relevant to your interests and skills. Participate in discussions, propose ideas, vote on proposals, and contribute to projects. Our participants often receive rewards in the form of governance tokens or project tokens. Benefits: DAOs provide opportunities to influence projects you're passionate about, receive rewards for contributions, and even shape the direction of the organization. Considerations: our participation requires time, effort, and research to choose reliable and impactful projects. Beware of scams and thoroughly understand the governance model. 4. Content monetization through Web 3.0. Overview: Web 3.0 enables content creators to monetize their work directly, bypassing traditional intermediaries. How to make money? Publish content, articles, videos, podcasts, on platforms like Mirror or BitClout. Users can purchase tokens representing ownership in your content. As your content gains popularity, the value of your tokens can increase. Benefits: content creators gain more control over their monetization strategy, engage directly with their audience, and benefit from their content's success. Considerations: success relies on building a dedicated audience, consistent content creation, and effective marketing. The value of content tokens can be volatile. 5. Decentralized identity and data monetization. Overview: Web 3.0 offers individuals the ability to control their digital identity and monetize their personal data. How to make money: use self-sovereign identity platforms like Zoe or Uport to manage your digital identity. Participate in data marketplaces where you can sell access to your anonymized data. Benefits: users gain control over their data and can profit from sharing it with businesses that need it for research and analysis. Considerations: balancing privacy and monetization is essential. Understand the data usage policies of marketplaces and platforms. 6. Decentralized freelance marketplaces. Overview: decentralized freelance platforms connect clients with freelancers while reducing intermediary fees. How to make money: offer your skills on platforms like Gitcoin or Ethylance, where you can find projects and get paid in cryptocurrencies directly. Benefits: freelancers retain more of their earnings due to lower platform fees. Clients can access a global talent pool without traditional banking restrictions. Considerations: platform reputation, project verification, and dispute resolution mechanisms are important factors to consider. 7. Virtual real estate development. Overview: virtual worlds powered by blockchain technology offer opportunities for real estate ownership, development, and monetization. How to make money: invest in virtual land in platforms like Decentraland or CryptoVoxels. Develop and monetize your land by creating virtual spaces for events, exhibitions, or commerce. Benefits: virtual real estate allows for creative expression and offers potential for significant returns as virtual worlds gain popularity. Considerations: market dynamics, demand, and platform adoption influence the value of virtual land. Development requires technical skills and creativity. 8. Decentralized prediction markets. Overview: prediction markets allow participants to bet on the outcomes of various events, ranging from sports results to political elections. How to make money: participate in prediction markets on platforms like Orga or Gnosis. Make accurate predictions to earn rewards from other participants. Benefits: prediction markets can provide insights into future events and offer opportunities for informed speculation. Considerations: accuracy is essential for profitable participation. Regulatory considerations and user adoption can impact the success of prediction markets. 9. Tokenized gaming and esports. Overview: blockchain technology enables tokenization of in-game assets and the creation of play-to-earn ecosystems. How to make money: play blockchain-based games that reward players with tokens or NFTs for in-game achievements. Trade or sell these tokens for profit. Benefits: gamers can monetize their skills and time spent playing, while game developers can create sustainable in-game economies. Considerations: the success of play-to-earn games relies on game design, user engagement, and community building. 10. Tokenized learning and education. Overview: Web 3.0 allows educators and learners to participate in decentralized education ecosystems. How to make money: create and sell educational content or courses as NFTs. Students can buy access using cryptocurrency and even resell their course tokens. Benefits: educators can directly monetize their expertise, and learners have more ownership over their educational journey. Considerations: ensuring quality content, engagement, and managing intellectual property rights are crucial for success.